Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to convert our files from videos to MP3, from PDF to Excel, from PDF to images in JPEG, in PNG. Before, when you want to convert your files, you have to go straight to online, start maybe searching for PDF to Word converter. All right, and then you can quickly check from the available list and choose any one of them and start converting, which if you have done, you have to download now and upload another one to you. So this particular converter does everything offline. You can download and install it completely free of charge, and you will be able to convert all of your files and work with them directly from different sources and to different formats. So many formats that you can use, and it's completely free of charge. So to access, let's start by learning how to access it. You can come to file/converter.io. Be brought in over here. This is where you have access to the file converter. Convert and compress everything in just 2 clicks. Okay, upload and convert, and it does it very fast. So you can go ahead and download. You can download it, or you can check the documentation, or you can view the descriptions and details about it on GitHub. But you can go ahead and download and install it. It's very easy to download. This is the description of how to use it to convert different things, which we're going to cover, and these are the formats that you can work with. Compatible input formats, texting formats from all of this, and then it can help you to convert your details to either an audio, video, image, or document, PDF, text docs to Excel to PNG to PDF, and so on. You can text in all of these features and different formats, and you can see also the conversion presets. You can save your presets, your conversion settings as presets, so you don't have to continuously be following the features or resetting the features before you can download anything. So right now you can just go ahead and click on download to start the download of this. It's going to give you the download that you can easily work with. I've already downloaded mine and I have it in one of my folders. Take a look at it over here. I'm just going to double click to kind of kickstart it so we can see the installation process. It's the normal process that we used to follow in the installation of any other software that you can think about. Just focusing on accept and clicking on next. Now accepted, then you can have this software. It's a very lightweight, very effective, very powerful software that you can use. So this one right now has finished the installation, and we can just go ahead and check it out and see what we have. When you come over to this, you will be able to see it, file converter. Okay, so you can just click, and then you can start to bring in your files of different formats. This is just a little bit of a demonstration of what you can do with this particular powerful tool. So let's go ahead and kickstart something. All right, so let's start from the most simplest of all. So let's say we have this presentation, which is in PPT. All right, so this presentation is a PPTX. I want to convert it into a PDF directly using this feature. So all I need is to just right click on it, come to show more options over here, and you can see file converter, and then you can select to PDF. So once you click, you can see the conversion process, and you can see the position where it has saved the converted version. Okay, so once you click out, you'll be able to see this is the PDF version that it has just converted for us. So this is the PDF version of it. So you can do that with any feature. For example, this one is in PNG. I want to convert it into a JPEG. I can select, right click, and then come to show one, and you can come to file converter, and I have this much different features to convert. Let's say I'm going to convert this into a JPEG. Okay, so we can see with just this simple click, it has converted everything, and you can do that with multiple files. For example, I want to select all of this, select this, and I'm going to convert all of them into a PDF. So I can just right click and come to more, and then I can go to file converter, and I want to convert to PDF. Okay, so let's go with this, and you can see it has taken all of them and it has converted each and every one of them into a PDF document. You can see it over here. All right, the PDF equivalent in each case can have been converted. So let's say from this video that I have, and I want to extract the MP3 with just one click. All I need is to right click on the video, come down to show more, and go to file converter and then go to MP3 over here, and it's just going to do that directly. It's going to give me the MP3 version of the audio section in that order, and you can see the same length and same quality as well. Just separated the audio from the video, which is going to be very, very direct. So you can see the power in this and the ease of working with this. It's very, very wonderful. You can choose this Excel sheet as well and convert it into a PDF, for example. We'll come to file converter, and then we can say to PDF. We can configure and choose from the available one. So this Excel to PDF, and it has just done that for us. Very, very nice and very powerful. You can see it directly on here. So it is easy to try. It is easy to create. Let's see this one. You can as well just right click, go over to this from PDF. I can come to show more and then go to file converter, go to configure presets, and then from here I'll be able to define what kind of formats that I want it to convert to. So you can choose from the available ones and just go ahead and select which format you want it to actually convert to. So let's say I want it to convert to PNG, and it's going to do that for me directly. So you can just specify the other formats, the scaling, the rotation if you want to rotate, and other presets menu if you want to save it as a preset, and then you can just go ahead. This is saved as a preset. All right, so you can as well convert anything that you are interested in converting very, very easily. Like I said, it does that with many files at the same time as well if you are interested in converting. So please go ahead, explore and see how you can use this particular simple tool to your own advantage to be able to convert between PNG to JPEG, between videos to MP3, and then maybe images of different types, PDFs to something. You can continuously be able to do that, Excel to PDF and so on. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of this file converter to convert any file into any format of your choice within just 1 or 2 clicks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.